This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport-Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today we're here at Yoga Unlimited, North Carolina, right?
Yes.
And we're here with Stacy. Stacy, hello, welcome to the business community.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, we just did your ribbon cutting.
Yes.
And this is a beautiful space here.
Thank you.
Tell me what you do.
Well, I have been teaching yoga and fitness for 40 plus years. I'm an RI, what they call a registered yoga teacher and a Yoga Alliance educational provider. So I can give credits to continuing education credits to other teachers. I have a yoga teacher training school, so I certify instructors here. This kind of fell in my lap. I was coming to Oak Island to retire.
Oh, yeah.
And Dr. Karen found out that I could teach and started with a group of men, 10 men for yoga for tennis, and that led to yoga for pickleball, yoga for golf, and then how about my wives? And so we teach a little bit of everything, all yoga based. But I also teach Pilates and bar and sculpt, and like I said, I have my teacher training school. And I also have a Reiki table, so I'm a Reiki master, so I can certify people in energy work. I'm also a sound therapist, so I do crystal bowl guided meditations the last Saturday of every month. I do some myofascial deep tissue work. So over the years, I've just expanded my knowledge in the yoga field. We do workshops every month. We hold women's circles and dance parties and anything that's going to be fun and kind of build a community. And that's really what once I decided to do this, and I said, okay, I'm not retired anymore, let's build a community of like-minded people. And I really believe that yoga is for everybody and everybody, and it's kind of like custom clothing. Not every pose is going to work for everybody, so I make a lot of adjustments and make a lot of the poses fit you. So, I always say everybody's welcome, all levels. I'll find something, and we all have ailments. We all have gentle body parts that we're taking care of. So I can address that as well, just from the years and years of experience.
And I know you started out with a lot of the tennis player men, but yoga is really good for any sport, isn't it?
Any sport, yes. So we started having specialized yoga for tennis, yoga for golf, yoga for pickleball, and then we just said, you know what, we have men's yoga, and then yoga is good for everything. I always tell people, yoga will help you with every other activity, but all your other activities won't really help yoga because you'll be tight from pickleball or tight from tennis, and then you come to me and say, fix me. And it will help, and it will help your golf game, it'll help your tennis game, and it'll help just every day getting up and down. I had a student today actually tell me a story that he went to Vietnam for a trip on his bucket list, and he said, do you know how low those chairs are that they sit on? He said, I was able to get down there.
That's awesome.
So yeah, they can read the greens. They're not taking, I had so many testimonials of people saying I'm not taking Tylenol or Advil anymore because yoga has helped me. So, and I truly believe it. Yeah.
That's fantastic. Yeah, it is a wonderful thing. Yoga is. So where are you located again?
We are on Oak Island. It's 8809 East Oak Island Drive. We're on the second floor. We rent the space above Island Healing Chiropractic and Wellness Center. Beautiful big open space, and we'd love to have you come join us.
That sounds great. Well, Stacy, thank you so much for being in our business community, and we look forward to many more years of Yoga Unlimited NC. And you can find you at what website?
It's www.yogaunlimitednc.com, and we also have a Facebook page.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.